A spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in centrally located Marbella Lakes off of Livingston, south of Pine Ridge. This large home has an open floor plan with many upgrades. The master bedroom is positioned separately from the other 2 bedrooms and faces north towards the lake. The master bath has hers sinks, a tiled shower and a large soaking tub. Granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Marbella Lakes has tennis facilities, a basketball and pickle-ball indoor facility, and a first-rate, resort-style community pool and clubhouse.